Okay, students, the next very important point of Python is indentation. What is indentation in Python? You don't need to specifically write end if for the if or maybe ending a loop with some commands. So how does this magic happen? ये जादू होता कैसे है? What they do is whatever code is written on the same maybe spacing from the left, that is considered to be on the same level of the block. So what happens, I've given you example here. Now this if condition, after this if condition, I have given four spaces. After this four spaces, if I'm writing 100 line of code, that is all inside the if. But again, if I'll come back four space left side and write something print text or something, for example here, now that is outside of that if or loop or whatever block of code you're talking about. So what is indentation? Indentation is nothing but changing the spacing from the left of the code. So whatever is just falling under each other from the left, that is in the same block. After that, if you are giving four space, that is in another block. After that, if you're giving another four space, that is in another block. So that is the magic of indentation. So for this example, where I've given you if command, no need to provide any end if you will come back four space left side and write anything just in the line of where you're starting I for the if, that code from that onwards will become outside the if condition. And same is true for any loop, for loop, while loop, for any condition also. So I hope that is clear. Python, always remember, it is case sensitive, which we discussed last time. It is dynamic memory allocation it used. You don't need to specify the variable explicitly. And the third very important thing to understand is indentation. Sometimes the programmer get confused if you are reviewing and analyzing any code, why there is no end if or end loop specified, because the Python use indentation. You can take the screenshot for the text which I'm providing you for indentation, but I've explained you with the example. Excellent. So let's go to the next subtopic.